Hi there, I'm Sam, and if you're watching this video, it's probably because you're looking for more information about Mitolyn, alright? You might be wondering, what exactly is Mitolyn? Does it really work? How do I take it? Well, stick with me until the very end because I'll share all the crucial details and also a very important truth about Mitolyn that you need to know to avoid wasting your time and money. Before we dive in, just a quick note. The official website for Mitolyn is listed below to this video. But remember, make sure to watch the entire video to get all the important information and that essential warning at the end, alright? Let's get started here. So, what is Mitolyn exactly? Mitolyn is a natural whey supplement designed to help you lose weight effectively and safely. It is made with 100% natural ingredients, so you don't have to worry about any artificial chemicals or harsh side effects. This is a key benefit because you can feel confident that you're putting only natural substances into your body. Mitolyn is produced in a facility that's registered with the FDA, certified by GMP, and it's no GMO, which means it's free from genetically modified organisms. This ensures that the product is of the highest quality, manufactured with the utmost care and safe for you to use. Now you might be asking, does Mitolyn actually work? And my answer is yes, it does. Mitolyn is formulated with powerful natural ingredients that target the root causes of weight gain. These ingredients work from the inside out to help your body eliminate excess fat, boost metabolism, and even suppress your appetite. As your body burns fat, you'll start to notice more energy, a clearer mind, and a learned physique. It's not just a temporary fix, it's a natural process that works over time to help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Taking Mitolyn is so simple. All you need to do is take 2 capsules a day with a large glass of water. That's it. With consistent use, you all start to see results as the ingredients work to help you burn fat and transform into a healthier version of yourself. The big question is, does it really work? And my answer is yes, absolutely. The reason Mitolyn is so effective is because of its natural ingredients. These ingredients work together to activate your metabolism, break down stubborn fat, and support your overall health. But here's something important. To get the best results, it's recommended that you use Mitolyn for at least 3 months. For long-term, sustainable results, many people see the best outcomes with a 6-month supply. And when you purchase that 6-bottle kit, you get free shipping and 2 amazing bonuses, alright? Mitolyn also comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. So if for any reason you're not satisfied with the results, you can simply contact the company and get a full refund. But here's the catch. To be eligible for this guarantee, you must buy Mitolyn from the official website, which is only place you can guarantee the product is authentic and that you're covered by the refund policy. Now, here's the important warning. Because Mitolyn is so effective and in high demand, there are some fake websites out there selling counterfeit versions of the product. Please be careful where you buy Mitolyn. To avoid scams and ensure you're getting the real product, make sure you only purchase from the official website. The link is here down below of my video, right? Don't forget that. This will protect you from fraudulent products and ensure you're getting the genuine Mitolyn. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this very helpful, please give it a like and leave a comment below, okay? If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to ask. Take care, everybody, and goodbye.